Hello and welcome back friends to the another video of our lecture series MS Excel's Basics to Advance. So today we will talk about conditional formatting and many more other small points. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us move on to the Excel sheet. I have already prepared some data for you. You can see on the screen. Okay, that is a mark sheet as you can see here. Okay, so what we can do is we have to find out the total here. For that, what I'll do, I'll put the function that is sum equals to sum. Open the bracket and select the numbers which you want to add. As you can see, I have selected the numbers which I want to add, and after that put the bracket at the end and press enter. As you can see, the answer is here, that is 323. And in the same way, what I can do, I can drag it down like this and all the answers will be in front of you. Okay, so this is total. Okay, now in the same way, next is percentage. What we'll have to do to find out the percentage, there is no any function for the percentage. Okay, percentage find करने के लिए ऐसा कोई function यहाँ पर नहीं है. हमें percentage खुद से बनाना पड़ता है, खुद से आपको formula create करना पड़ता है. Percentage हम सभी को निकालना आता है. Okay, so for that what I am doing here, I am selecting the total here, and after that I am dividing it with the number of subjects. Number of subjects are 5 here. Okay, और यहाँ पर हमारे पास 5 सब्जेक्ट हैं, इसलिए मैं इसको 5 से डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ. Okay, next, why I am dividing it with 5? Actually because we are supposing that the marks that are here, that is out of 100. Okay, and with the 100 it will suppose if it total marks will be 500. Okay, and if we will multiply it with 100, the 0 will be cancelled. Okay, so it will be the 5, so the 5 will be remaining, that is the number of subjects, and I'll press enter like this. So here we are, this is the percentage, and for this also I am dragging it down, and you can see here all the percentages are here. Now you might be seeing here that I have written the mark sheet here, but in one cell, that is a cell which is made up of a group of cell. Okay, बहुत सारे cells से मिलके एक cell ये बना हुआ है. इसको हम कैसे करते हैं? Merge in center से. This is the option available here in the home tab. Home tab के अंदर आपको यहाँ पर alignments के अंदर merge in center का option मिलेगा. With the help of this, what you can do, you can make a single cell with the help of number of cells. Okay, I'll show you. See. Okay, I'm cutting it down right now. So here we are. Now what I'm doing, I'm first of all selecting all these cells, and after selecting these cells I'm clicking on merge in center, and you can see here this is the one cell which is made up of the number of cells, and I'm writing here the text, that is mark sheet. Okay, so this is how you can do the merge in center. Now the main point of the today's class is conditional formatting. What is it? Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is made up of two words, that is conditional and formatting. Formatting is actually changing the color of the cell, changing the size of the text, changing the font of the text, doing it bold, doing it italic, doing it underline. All these are the part of formatting. Formatting का मतलब होता है किसी भी सेल का कलर चेंज करना, किसी भी टेक्स्ट का साइज बढ़ाना, किसी भी टेक्स्ट का फॉन्ट चेंज करना, बोल्ड करना, इटैलिक करना, अंडरलाइन करना. ऑल दीज आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ फॉर्मेटिंग. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज कंडीशनल? कंडीशनल मींस शर्त. ओके, हम शर्त बोलते हैं कि अगर ऐसा हो तो ऐसा होगा. ओके, दैट इज नोन एज कंडीशन. ओके, दैट मींस दिस विल बी द रिजल्ट इफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन विल बी मेट. ऐसा होगा अगर कोई एक कंडीशन क्या हो जाती है, अप्रूव हो जाती है या ट्रू हो जाती है. ओके, नाउ without wasting the time, let us talk about it. Here I am selecting some of the numbers, or you can say some of the data I am selecting here. After selecting the data, what I am doing, I am clicking on conditional formatting. हम conditional formatting में click कर रहे हैं. Conditional formatting. In conditional formatting, you can see the first option, that is highlight cells rules. Okay, that means it will highlight those cells according to the rules. Okay, अपने आप क्या कर लेगा, cells को highlight कर लेगा कुछ rules के हिसाब से. What are the rules? Rules are greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contain a date occurring, duplicate value. All these are the rules. Okay, So moving on to the first one, that is greater than. If I'll click on this option, what you will see here that is greater than, and I have to enter the number here, okay, for the condition. Okay, so suppose I am putting the number that is 90. So here no any number is greater than 90, so that's why the cells are not being colored. Okay, suppose I'll enter the number that is 80. Yes, here we are. So here you can see I have entered the number 80, and all the numbers which are greater than 80 are colored in red, as you can see in the data here. Okay, I'll increase the size once again. Yes, here we are. So I had increased the size of the screen. Actually in the last video it was a problem that the text or the things that I am writing or typing on the screen is not visible. So here we are, and I had zoomed this out. So again we were talking about conditional formatting. Here we are. So greater than what I am putting here, the number is 80. All the numbers which are greater than 80 will be colored in red color, and from here you can exchange the color also. Suppose yellow color is here now, green color is here. So these are the different colors you can choose from here. Also what you can do the custom formatting also from here. Okay, suppose I want all the text or all the numbers which are greater than 80 in bold. Okay, so I am clicking the bold option, and after clicking on bold I'll click OK. Now what you will see, all the numbers which are greater than 80 are bold. Okay, those are not colored, those are bold. Actually why? Because I have done the custom formatting. Okay, so again moving on to the next one. Suppose here I'm not clicking it OK, I'm cancelling it actually, because I need to explain you many other things also. Okay, so after that, this is less than, this is between. Less than means any number which are less than particular number. Suppose I am putting the number that is 33. All the numbers which are less than 33 will be colored in red. Okay, and colors you can change, I had already told you from here. Okay, next is between means you have to enter here the two numbers. Okay, between means two numbers you have to enter. Suppose I'm putting 50 and 70. Okay, so all the numbers which are between 50 and 70 will be colored or will get highlighted. Okay, with the color whichever you want, you can choose it from here. Next is equals to. Suppose exact number I am going to find. Okay, suppose I want the number which is exact equal to 71. So you can see there are two numbers which are exact equal to 71. So this is how you can put the conditional formatting. Okay, there are many of the rules, each and every rules it is not possible for me to explain, but little bit I am trying. Okay, next is text that contain. Text that contain means any of the cell which contains the text. Okay, text means ABCD, or we can say alphabets. All the cells in which alphabets are there, those are known as text. So conditional formatting. Next, text that contain. Here we go, and here I'll have to write the particular text for which I am looking for. Suppose I wrote here maths. Okay, so you can see here the maths has been colored or highlighted. So this is all about conditional formatting. Next is top and bottom rule. Top and bottom rules means top 10 items. Suppose if I am working on the values, here I am working on the values. So top 10 items mean from the selected region which are the 10 top numbers. Okay, top greater we can say. Okay, top 10 items. So here are the top 10 items which you can see here. Okay, now the thing is it will consider both the numbers, okay, which are equal to which are same. It will consider them 1. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13 cells are colored. But why? Because actually 78 is here, 78 is here, so it will be considered as one number. Okay, that's why. So this is top 10. Next you can see top 10%. It will convert all the data into percentage, and top 10% will be colored. Okay. Next is bottom 10 items. In the same way, bottom 10% above average, it will calculate the average of all the numbers which are selected, and the average we will get, and the numbers which are greater than that particular average will be colored. Okay, suppose I am putting average here. Okay, so now you can see all the numbers which are above or which are greater than the average of all these numbers are colored here. Okay, so that is above average, we can say. And there is one more option, that is below average also. So from here you can use the below average options. Data bar is also one interesting thing here in the Excel sheet. You can see here when I am choosing the data bars, the number which is greater, the longer the bar is. Okay, जितना बड़ा आपका नंबर है, अगर नंबर बड़ा है तो उसका बार भी बड़ा है, और अगर नंबर छोटा है तो ना उसका बार भी छोटा है. Okay, so एक मैं लगा के देखता हूँ. Here we are. So you can see here in this one number, that is 15, so bar is small, and this is the 87 number, that so the bar is also long. In the 90 the bar is longest. Okay, so this is conditional formatting, and this is data bar. Okay, data bar is used for this all things. Next is color scale. Color scale, according to colors it will adjust top, means it will highlight the top colors with some, I'll explain you here. Suppose here we are. So this one, see, the top numbers are colored with red color. Okay, and the smallest number are colored with the blue. So from red to blue it is moving. Okay, so this is how you can use the conditional formatting. New rule, you can create a new rule according to you also. So let me show you how to create a new rule. I am clicking on new rule here. Okay, okay, before creating new rule, what I am doing, I am selecting the data. Okay, data select करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So what I am doing, I am selecting the data like this. So here we are. After selecting the data, I'll click on new rule, and from here, as you can see here, I am creating the rule for format only cell that contain. Okay, in the same way, there are different types of rules. You can choose any one of them which you want. Format only unique or duplicate values, format only top or bottom ranked values. So there are many of the things. So right now I am explaining you, so I am choosing this format only cell that contain. ये सिर्फ उस सेल को फॉर्मेट करेगा जिसके अंदर कोई वैल्यू होगी. ओके, कंटेन मतलब किसी चीज का होना, प्रेजेंट होना. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज सेल वैल्यू. सपोज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट स्पेसिफिक टैक्स. फ्रॉम हेयर ऑल्सो यू कैन चूज either date, either specific text, either cell value, anything. So specific text suppose I want, and here are also options, that is containing, not containing, beginning with, ending with. Okay, there are 4 type of options. Containing means जिसके अंदर है, नॉट कंटेनिंग जिसके अंदर नहीं है, बिगिनिंग विथ जो शुरू हो रहा है, एंड एंडिंग विथ जो खत्म हो रहा है किसी एक पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट से. ओके, अभी हम कंटेनिंग वाला करते हैं. कंटेनिंग, सपोज आई एम राइटिंग है मैथ्स, MATHS मैथ्स, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन फॉर्मेट. फॉर्मेट में हम उसको बोल्ड कर लेते हैं सपोज, एंड फिलिंग कर लेते हैं इसके अंदर हम कोई कलर की, सपोज येलो कलर. यस, ओके. So as I'll click on OK, and it will show here. After that I'll click on OK again, and you can see here the text which contains maths has been highlighted with the yellow color, and it is bold now. Okay, as you can see here, as we have done according to the rule. According to the rule, it is showing the things now. So this is how we can create the rules of our own also. And clear rules, from here you can clear the rules also. Suppose you want to clear all these rules we have put there. Okay, that is bars and all, and that maths one. Okay, and these color one, color scales, all these are the rules. So if you want to clear the rules, what we can do, we can clear the rules from here. Before that, I'll tell you what is manage rules. From manage rules, you can see all the rules which you have applied on your sheet or on the selected data. These are the rules which we have implemented on this sheet. Okay, so this is how you can manage the rules. And now clear rules I'll show you. Clicking on clear rules from entire sheet or selected cell. अगर सिर्फ selected cell में से आपको rules को हटाना है तो selected cell, अगर पूरी sheet में से हटाना है तो पूरी sheet में से हम entire sheet choose करेंगे. Okay, clear rules from entire sheet. Now as you can see here, all the rules has been cleared, and this was all about the conditional formatting. That's all for today's video, and I'll come with many more other interesting things with you, and I'll share all these things with you in the next video. Thank you.